Okay, a couple of times we had a problem with it cycling properly. What you do is you put a coin in, you hit the start button. It's supposed to drop all the balls down, open the shutter. See, it opens the holes up, and then all the balls will fall down. It'll feed one up here, and then when you shoot the ball, it comes off a switch here, and then it hits this switch up here, and it's supposed to reclose the shutter for a new game. So a couple times we had it where it didn't close the shutter, and then the balls will just fall right through every time you shoot them. So there's some electrical contacts like leaf switches up here, right here. It's probably hard to see them, but see if I do that, it closes that leaf switch. And what happens a lot of times is the games sit for a long time. Those leaf switches will build up oxidation on the contacts. So you can take a little piece of sandpaper like this, or a business card or something, and just slide it between those contacts, or like an emery board. Clean them up, clean the oxidation, and then things will start working better for you. That's a simple thing. If you're having problems with one of these games, those little leaf switch contacts can get oxidized. A lot of times that'll fix whatever problem you're having. Okay, so that problem I was mentioning, we're going to take the little piece of sandpaper here, and I'm going to clean these contacts. She's going to lift on the switch right here. Once I get the sandpaper in there, let it down for a second. Okay, let it down more, all the way. Okay, now lift the switch. Okay, and I'm just going to drag that. Okay, let it go again. Okay. Alright. Do that again. Okay, that might cure our problem. Let's see what happens.